Welcome to WTM.Cars YouTube channel. WTM.Cars. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
The new 2025 Jeep Wrangler Pickup Truck. When it comes to vehicles that are designed for use off-road, the Jeep Wrangler Pickup Truck ranks as the finest example. The legendary capabilities of the Wrangler are combined with the adaptability of a pickup truck to create this vehicle that is incredibly versatile. Since this is the case, you will be in possession of a vehicle that is able to traverse any terrain while still being able to transport your gear and equipment. The Wrangler Pickup Truck that will be released in 2025 will feature a new design that is both rugged and stylish. This design will be available. On the other hand, the rear end is distinguished by a tailgate that can be opened in two different ways, in contrast to the front end, which is distinguished by a bold grille and LED headlights. The width and depth of the truck bed have both been increased in comparison to the previous generation, both of which contribute to the truck bed's increased versatility in terms of its ability to transport cargo. There is a selection of engines that can be purchased for the Wrangler Pickup Truck. These include a 3.6-liter V6 engine that is the standard option, as well as a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that can be purchased as an option. In addition to that, there is a hybrid plug-in version that can be purchased. In addition to having four-wheel drive, the truck comes standard with a number of off-road features, such as locking differentials and skid plates. These features are included as standard equipment. Among the many features that are included in the Wrangler Pickup Truck, which is also loaded with features, there is a touchscreen infotainment system, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and a suite of safety features. These are just some of the features that are included. It is also possible to purchase the truck with a variety of different upgrades, such as a sunroof, a premium audio system, and a leather interior, amongst other enhancements. People who have a strong interest in the great outdoors will discover that the 2025 Jeep Wrangler Pickup Truck is the perfect automobile for them. It is certain to garner attention wherever you go due to the fact that it is not only fashionable but also capable and versatile.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.